Thanks for joining us. We're inside the Media Hub on the Shure stand. I'm here with Chris from Shure. Welcome, Chris.
Yeah, hi Paul, how are you?
I'm very, very well. I hear this is one of the sort of biggest years ever for kind of new products on the Shure stand.
Yeah, we're taking some bets on it because I suspect this probably is the biggest single month ever for new products being launched by Shure. In addition to something like 4 new products in our events and content space, which were launched at NAM just a couple of weeks ago. We've also got 3 major new products in our conferencing and collaboration space. The most important of which is our new IntelliMix room kits, which is actually now you can have a Shure compute and actually host your Teams rooms meetings on a native Shure device. Comes along, includes IntelliMix DSP and also various kit configurations with our MXA 902 combined ceiling speaker mic. We've also expanded our portfolio of handheld wireless solutions with the 2nd generation of Microflex Wireless. So now we have that in combinations of 4 and 8 channel products, and you can combine those together up to 160 channels of wireless for events or for large auditoria, classrooms, those types of things. And then the third thing, which in a normal year would probably be one of our biggest product launches ever, is our new range of network speakers. So there's a network amp and then a range of passive speakers, and comes in a bewildering variety of form factors, pendants, flush mount, wall mount, etc. So very exciting range of new things being rolled out by Shure this month and at this ISE.
And 2025 itself sees a very significant milestone for the company, doesn't it?
A very significant milestone because it's 100 years of Shure. So
that's incredible,
yeah,
isn't it?
Sidney Shure founded the company in Chicago in 1925, and we're still very proud to bear his name and still live very much by his values. So huge amount of achievement in those 100 years, obviously with our iconic microphones, designs, and but what we're really looking forward to is the next 100 years because with all the new stuff we're launching, continuing to innovate, etc. The pace is accelerating, not slowing down.
Yeah, I mean, as well as the very cosy media hub that we're in now, I hear there's an innovation lab, but that's somewhere else. Could you tell us about that?
Yes, that's just upstairs next to the main conference centre for ISE. It's in the CC4 area. You can't miss it because we've got a rather large poster right outside that as well. And what we're doing in there is actually it's a slightly quieter, off the booth environment, enclosed environment. So there you actually will be able to have live demonstrations of our audio solutions, really experience, see or hear how great they sound. So all the new products which we're showcasing on the booth, you'll be able to have live demonstrations and live experience of those in the Innovation Lab all week.
Fantastic. Chris, many thanks for your time. It's great to hear a company that's been going for 100 years is still looking forward and clearly putting so much money into R&D that all these new products are a kind of result of. So a great time for sure, and many thanks for your time.
Thank you, Paul.